having received the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award, an honor instituted by the Government of India in the name of the revered father of Indian cinema.
The Dada Saheb Phalke Award, regarded as the highest honor in Indian cinema, celebrates a lifetime of outstanding contribution to the film industry. Recently, this prestigious accolade was awarded to Malayalam cinema legend Mohanlal, shining a spotlight on his remarkable career.
As a representative of the Malayalam film industry, I am deeply humbled to be the youngest recipient and only the second ever from the state to be bestowed with this national recognition.
Notably, Mohanlal is only the second actor from Malayalam cinema to receive this honor, adding to the award's significance. Bollywood and Tamil cinema icon Kamal Haasan expressed his delight at Mohanlal's achievement. He took to social media to congratulate his friend, saying, "Delighted to see my dear friend Lalitan Mohanlal honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, a true artist whose craft has touched millions and will continue to inspire generations. A richly deserved recognition."
It belongs to the entire Malayalam cinema fraternity. I see this award as a collective tribute to our industry, legacy, creativity, and resilience. When I first received the news from the center, I was overwhelmed not merely by the honor, but by the privilege of being chosen to carry forward the voice of our cinematic tradition. I believe this is a destiny's gentle hand, allowing me to accept this award on behalf of all those who have shaped Malayalam cinema with their vision and artistry.
The announcement sparked a wave of excitement and discussion among fans and film critics alike. Social media platforms buzzed with praise for Mohanlal's career and acting prowess. However, the conversation also turned to another Malayalam superstar, Mammootty, who has yet to receive the award. Despite the ongoing debate, Mammootty himself congratulated Mohanlal, showing mutual respect between the two giants of the industry. While the award brought joy to many, it also stirred some concerns among Tamil cinema fans. A leading actor like Kamal Haasan has not yet been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, despite his immense contributions. So far, only legendary South Indian actors such as Rajinikanth, Akkineni Nageshwar Rao, Rajkumar, and Sivaji Ganesan have received this distinguished award. Addressing the issue in a recent media interaction, Kamal Haasan stated, "No one should be made fun of for not receiving an award, and many more talented artists in the Indian film industry should stand in this line." Mohanlal's win has instilled a sense of pride among fans across India. His exceptional acting skills, achievements, and ability to connect with audiences have earned him a massive fan base. This milestone has also inspired many fans to send warm wishes to other deserving actors who have yet to be recognized, adding a personal and hopeful touch to the celebrations. Mohanlal, who was last seen in the film Hridyapurvam, continues to inspire millions with his work, proving that great art truly knows no boundaries. His well-deserved Dada Saheb Phalke Award is a fitting tribute to a legendary artist whose impact will be felt for generations.